But here we are at the scene of an accident right before the hurricane. And thank God nobody's injured, no one is hurt. That's the most important thing. But this is one of the things you want to try to avoid. Getting yourself into these situations because now this person loses their car for at least a few days, and the problem they got right now is if there's any rental companies right now. So I know sometimes you can't avoid it, but now I got a prediction of where the hurricane is gonna come in through, and hopefully I'm wrong, but I got a feeling that it's gonna come in through here. I got a feeling that the hurricane is gonna come in through maybe the lower part of Color Bay Homestead, and it's gonna do his way up towards the Everglades. Now there's a front coming over from the west that might push it out, or might push it towards us. So technically we're gonna be in the path of the hurricane. And from all of this, the only thing I fear the most, honestly, hurricanes, you can probably deal with it with the wind and the water and all that. My biggest fear is tornadoes. Hurricanes are known to build tornadoes really easy, so that's my biggest fear. Look at the guy with the boat. I know he's gonna surf. That's a huge boat. That's a 3-axle boat, man. Wow. I know he's gonna make it through. Like, look at the white Toyota, the FJ Toyota. See right there on the left hand side. Now that truck is built to go up to high water. Hopefully his electrical system and his computers are all covered. But you see the snorkel? That's all you need. That's all you need. You know he's gonna be doing really good. Now it's mandatory evacuation for anybody that lives in the Keys. Tourists, non-residents, they have to get out of there. And I'm pretty sure later today or tomorrow they're gonna start evacuating residents. It's gonna be tough because I know a lot of people are gonna stay. A lot of people ain't gonna leave their houses. Tough decision. Very tough to leave your house and not knowing what you're coming back to. Hurricanes are no joke. This type of weather is, they're no joke. They're very dangerous, and you can expect the worst. A lot of people ask me if I'm scared, if I'm afraid of what's gonna happen. And of course I'm afraid, of course I'm scared. Of course that I'm afraid that hopefully nobody gets hurt, especially first responders. One thing I wanna ask people is please make our job easier. Help us out. Don't put yourself in situations that's gonna affect us. Alright guys, I gotta pick up the car. Hold on guys, so this is what we got. The front wheel on the other side. Busted. And it's barely rolling, so I don't want to take any chance of coming off. What I'm doing is sliding the bed underneath the truck. Show you in a second. Truck is in neutral. Sliding my truck into the truck. You want to strap out of here. The other way. There you go. And fucker's a little bit too big for me to put on the wheeler. That's a no-no. Especially since I'm not loaded in the back. I'm gonna winch it up. Let the tires drop in right here. Almost there. Once it gets there, I'll stop. There you go. A little bit more. Here we go. I'll just stick door in the bed. Slide it over. Press the chain on the front. Left it out a little bit so that way when I'm dropping it, see the hub came off of the caliper. Plus the chain right there. I use the skate so slide it out. It's touching right there a little bit, but no big deal. Chain in the back. And we get to go with this sucker. Can't stop it.